Thank you for joining us in learning how to complete the PA-1000 Schedule G for the Property Tax Rent Rebate Program. This schedule is used for filing on behalf of deceased applicants and will help annualize the income amount that will be included on line 11G, along with any other income reported on that line. An annualized income amount is required to determine if the deceased applicant is eligible for a rebate. The annualized income amount is a calculated estimate of the income the deceased would have earned during the period from the date of their death through the application year. The PA-1000 Schedule G is located on the consolidated PA-1000 Schedule F/G. These schedules are used for different purposes, so please make sure that you are only filling out the section titled Owner/Renter Schedule G. To begin, list the primary applicant's name and social security number on top of the form. If you choose to access the PDF version of this form online, you can type the relevant information. Please note, if you choose to handwrite the information on this form, please make sure that you legibly print and that you use either blue or black ink so that our machines can scan the form properly. On line 1 of the Schedule G, enter the applicant's date of death. On line 2, enter the number of days the applicant lived during the application year. This date includes the date of death, regardless of how long the deceased lived on that date. On line 3, add all the positive amounts from lines 4 through 11F of your PA-1000 application form. Then, include any amount from line 11G that does not include the calculation of the annualized income amount and enter that amount on line 3. On line 4, divide the number of days the applicant lived during the application year by the total number of days in the application year. It would be 365 days unless it was a leap year, in which you would use 366 days. Once completed, enter the decimal amount on line 4. On line 5, multiply the amount on line 3 with the decimal figure on line 4 and enter that amount on line 5. On line 6, subtract the amount on line 3 from the amount on line 5 and enter that amount on line 6. Add the result to any other income amounts from line 11G of the PA-1000 application form before you calculate the annualized income and enter the total to line 11G. If any amounts from lines 4 through 11F of the PA-1000 application are not earned in equal amounts or approximate equal monthly amounts, the applicant should consider using an alternative method for calculating the annualized income amount. If you choose to use an alternate method, a worksheet is required to be included, which provides the calculation method and provides reason for not using the Department of Revenue's annualization calculation method. Did you know you can file your property tax rent rebate application and all related schedules online at no cost using mypath.pa.gov? Need help? Check out our easy-to-follow Revenue 411 videos to guide you through the process step by step. No paper, no math. Use MyPath. It's fast, secure, and you'll receive instant confirmation that your application has been submitted. No guessing, no mailing delays.